dear students, good morning. How are you all? Yes, I hope you all are fine and safe. Yes, do you all remember children in our previous class what can we did? Yes, we all are learnt about your EVS new lesson houses. So I hope you all are understand that lesson. Yes, in our previous class we will learnt about different types of houses like a mud house, a wood house and one storied house and a bungalow. So some houses in a movable houses and some houses are not movable houses. So some houses is a movable house from one place to another place like a tent, caravan, houseboat. Okay, so these type of houses is movable houses from one place to another place. So today we will learn about in the next part. Yes, can you hear this picture, dear children? Yes, see here. So what is this? Do you know about? So this is a tent. So tent, it's made up of fabric sheets and some other materials. So this is a fixing into a supporting a pole or a rope, and it is not a, and it's a movable house, not a permanent house. It's a movable house. It's made up of cloth. We can use this a cloth, and it's a movable house. So this is a lightweight shelter which uses thin fabric, and it's protect from a wind, rain, from the cold also. So this is a tent. So next one, what is this? Do you know about children? So this is a caravan. Can you hear this picture? Yes, see here. So this is a caravan, and we call also compare van. Okay, compare van also. So this is a moving house in the form of a vehicle, and it is made up of metal, and it's a protect from a rain, cold and wind also. So next one, houseboat. Do you know about children? And you can see this house. So this is a houseboat. So houseboat is made up of wood, and it is a moving house, and it's a floats in a water. Okay. Next one, multi-storied building. Yes, can you see this? Can you see this picture, dear children? Yes, see here. So this is a multi-storied building. So in cities we find tall buildings which have many flats. They called multi-storied buildings. So in cities, okay, we find tall buildings, ground floor, first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth, fifth, this type of. So that is we call as a storied buildings, multi-storied buildings, which have many flats. So this building has many flats, many doors, many windows. They are called multi-storied buildings, and it's made up of bricks, iron, sand and steel also. It's made up of iron, sand, bricks and cement also. Okay, so this is a multi-storied building, and we can find out about in cities only, not villages. So next one, yes, can you see this picture, dear children? Yes, see here. So this is a igloo. Okay, I for igloo. An igloo is a house made from blocks of snow or ice. Igloos are found in some cold places. So we can see in this house, and we can see in a cold places. Okay, we found in a cold places, and it's made from blocks of snow or ice. So this is a cold house. Okay. So these are all types of houses. One is tent, next caravan, houseboat. So these three type of houses is a movable houses from one place to another place. This is not a permanent houses. These are all movable houses. Tent is also movable houses, and it's also made up of fabric sheets and some other materials, and fixing into a supporting pole or a rope. So this is a lightweight shelter which uses thin fabric. Okay, it's protected to protect people from a wind, rain and a cold. So caravan also movable van. It's a house in the form of a vehicle, and it's made up of metal. So, and we call also another one name is compare van. Next, houseboat is also movable house, and it's a floats in a water. It's made up of wood. Okay. Next, multi-storied buildings. In cities, we find a tall buildings. So all tall buildings is made up of iron, wood, steel, bricks, sand and cement. So this building has many doors, windows and flats also. So next one, igloo. So this is also made up of blocks of snow or ice, and it's a cold house. Okay, it's found in some cold places. So these are all types of houses: tent, caravan, houseboat and multi-storied building and igloo. Yes, can you understand, dear children? So today we will learn about houses in the types of houses. Like these houses are movable houses from one place to another places, like a tent, caravan and a houseboat. And multi-storied building is a permanent house, not a movable house. Okay. So given us some classroom activity for your EVS book. So take and open your book, page number 60. So let us see one by one. So first one is color the picture given below. So given a one house picture in your EVS book. So take a crayon and color that. Okay, color that picture also. So next one, fill in the blanks. Yes, can you see this? So let us see one by one. First one, a house protects us from heat, cold and rain. So you will write about rain, R-A-I-N, rain. You will write about in this place. So next one, a houseboat floats on dash. So you will write about water. So houseboat floats on a water. Third one, an igloo is a house made from blocks of snow or ice. So you will write about snow or ice. Fourth one, in cities we find tall buildings which have many flats. Okay, so you will write about flats in this line. You will write about in this line. So next one, match the following. Given us some pictures and words. So you will match that. So wood. So this is a wood house. So you will match this picture. Next, cloths. So cloths. So this one, tent is made up of cloth. So you will match this word. Next one, bricks. Which house is made up of bricks and cement? Yes, multi-storied buildings is made up of bricks and cement. So you will match this picture. Next, mud. So which house is made up of mud? Yes, hut is made up of mud. Yes, hut is made up of mud. So you will match this picture. Okay. Next, third one, find out from your parents and color the circles of materials used for buildings your house. Okay. Yes. Which materials your parents used for building in your house. So you will take a color and color that materials. Okay, for example, mud, bricks, wood, glasses, cement, leaves, stone, iron, bamboo, steel. All materials have been used in your parents with built by a building. Okay, so you take a crayons and color that pictures on that materials. So today we will learn about houses, like some different types of houses like a tent, caravan, houseboat and multi-storied building and also igloo. So I hope you all are understand that and enjoy that lesson. Okay, thank you.